For the Bob's Red Mill customers allergic to wheat, or for those who choose to maintain a wheat-free, gluten-free diet, we're proud to offer more than 50 gluten-free products, all processed in a separate, dedicated, gluten-free building. Here you see us milling brown rice flour and flaxseed meal. We have 4 dedicated high-speed packaging lines in a separate dedicated building packaging nothing but gluten-free products. Just as important as a separate gluten-free facility is the testing we do to make sure that intrinsically gluten-free products such as rice, sorghum, quinoa, and the like remain gluten-free. Gluten-free testing is important to be certain that as our products are grown and shipped to us from the growers, they remain free of any contaminant from glutinous materials. Here you see Roger, our quality control supervisor, in our separate gluten-free laboratory testing the same brown rice flour you just saw being milled and packaged. In fact, all of our gluten-free products are tested several times